Hey guys, welcome to locksmithstoolbox.com. and have a look at the Southord M3000B. It's a high yield lock pick set. Comes with 11 picks. The picks are made of stainless steel. The picks themselves are very thin, 0.33 inch, so they're designed for the thinnest keyway, even thin small padlocks. You can see there, European keyways, and of course all your standard keyways. And more. Now the 11 picks, the hook picks, diamond picks, as you know, are great for getting right to the back. You can see the picks lift up there, and you can lift them to the shear line. Diamond picks, the people who like to pick each lock individually. Here it is there. Two of those, one pronounced, one not so. Two hook, diamond rake, or a great all-round pick for people who like to rake their locks. This type of lock, or also great for tilt-a-door locks, the wafer lock or patio locks, and also a wafer lock in there. So we have balls, wave pick, rakes, diamond picks, and snake picks, hook picks, complete set, tension wrenches, both automotive tension wrench, left and right key knob tension wrenches, or tulip, set step there, standard tension wrenches, tapered and not, so you're getting a choice for the feel. Sorry about the fingernail. Also comes in a leather case with moulded handles and double-ended picks here as well, in an oversized leather zipper case with a YKK zipper designed to last a lifetime. It's a great product from locksmithstoolbox.com. Opens up, as you see, the flaps, auxiliary little picks on the side, mains in the middle. Yeah, it's a great pick, not so large. Put it in your toolbox, in your work pants. Great set. See it at locksmithstoolbox.com.